Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today we're working on a Black & Decker toaster. The issue with this one is that it doesn't stay engaged when you try and switch it on. So we'll plug it in. Let's see. So you can see there's power there, and it just doesn't stay engaged. So we'll try and get it apart and see why it is doing that. What kind of screws do we have here? Okay, so I've managed to get the cover off, and oh my god, look how dirty this thing is. It is just caked with probably years and years of crumbs. That is so nasty. So what I can see so far, we have these little things here, which is basically a strip of metal, and then on the bottom of the travel of the arm, it looks like there's some kind of electromagnet, which when you push this down, it latches onto that little metal thing. So that is what it's not doing. Now, whether that's because it's just caked with dirt, or there's something wrong with that little electromagnet, we'll have to do some more tests. But I think what I'm going to do first is try and vacuum this out a little bit. Just clean it up. So let me hook up the vacuum and we'll clean that up. Okay, so a little bit clean, but I'm going to have to get in there with a scraper or something. There's a lot of stuff still stuck. So what I wanted to do is just see whether the issue is the dirt or the electromagnet is not engaging. So let's plug it back in, and we'll be able to see so that's not engaging. Oh, that one worked. How do I cancel? So what I'm trying to do is just figure out how there's a little relay here, which I'm assuming it activates that electromagnet. So on this side it's working, on this side it's not. So I need to figure out, is it the relay? Is it not getting its activation voltage? What is happening? So on this side, we have the positive and the negative. Where does the negative go? Negative goes up to there. Okay. So there and there. So if I go between there and there, when that relay engages, we should see 12 volts, I believe. So it's 10 volts, which activates the relay. Then on this side, let's see. So that's negative. And there's positive. And we get 12 volts, 10 volts. So there's power going there, but it's not engaging. Okay, so that's good. So that means the circuitry is working okay. So I'll just have to get that little transformer out. There might be a dry joint or something on it. So unplug the power. Let's see. So I think I found the issue. So it looks like there's two dry joints on this little electromagnet. I'll just zoom down so I can show you. There we go. So this is the small little electromagnet that engages, and you can see these two connections here. We can see these two connections here are dry. So our power is coming in, the 12 volts, but it's not engaging the, or it's not powering the little transformer. So let's just plug in the soldering iron and touch those up. I will also take the other one out on the other side. I have a feeling that they're both going to have that same issue. So soldering iron is heated up. Just go over all of these connections while I'm here. So that should be that one done. Okay. So this is the other one. connections don't look bad, I'm just going to go over them again. Let's just zoom out a bit. Just future-proofing it. I think that should be it. I have to put some clips over there to hold it down. So we will plug it in. And check this side one again. This one was working, still engaging. And then let's see if this guy engages now. Yes, it does. Lights on and it's engaged. Press cancel, pops up. Excellent. So just a dry joint issue on the little electromagnet board, I guess. Perfect. Just going to leave that on, actually see if all the elements heat up. Certainly feels like it. Let's see the outside one there, the inside one. This inside one is on, and okay, so they're both working. Hope I don't set the smoke alarm off. This one should be good as well. Getting a glow from there. Getting a glow from there. The inside ones I found always take a little longer to heat up. Ow, that's burning me. Okay, this one's working. And that one's working. Perfect. So that was a pretty easy fix. Now I'm just going to go through and clean it up. I think that's going to be the longest part of the job. So once it's all back together, I'll do the final section of the video. Okay, so I have the unit back together, cleaned it up as best as I could, and we'll pop some toast in and see how it works. So it engages. With all the cleaning, there will be some crumbs stuck on the heating elements, so you may see a little bit of smoke. That's all good. And there it is. That's a light toasting. So I'll call that a fix. Thanks very much for watching. Like and subscribe if you like this video. As mentioned previously, my subscriber count is climbing slowly, so I really appreciate that. I'm just waiting for the watch hours to get over the limit so that we can start monetizing the channel. Yeah, the customer should be happy with that. Save this one from the recycling. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Ciao.